Hyatt Hotels Corporation is an American international company and operator of hotels. The Hyatt Corporation came into being upon purchase of the Hyatt House, at Los Angeles International Airport, on September 27, 1957. In 2014, Fortune magazine listed Hyatt as the 95th best U.S. company to work for. History: the original owners were entrepreneurs Hyatt Robert Von Den and Jack Die Crouch. After a few years, Von Den sold his share in the hotel to entrepreneur Jay Pritzker. Jay's younger brother Donald Pritzker also took on an important role in the company. Over the following decade, acquisitions were made, and Hyatt became the fastest-growing hotel chain in the United States. Donald died in 1972. Jay continued to run the company. In 1969, Hyatt opened its first hotel outside the United States, the Hyatt Regency Hong Kong. In 1980 the Grand Hyatt and Park Hyatt brands were introduced. Hyatt runs resort hotels, starting with the Hyatt Regency Maui in 1980. As of 2012 Hyatt had over 490 hotels worldwide. In 1972 Hyatt formed Elsinore Corporation, a subsidiary to operate the Four Queens Hotel and Casino and the Hyatt Lake Tahoe. After Hyatt became a private company in 1979, Elsinore was spun off as a public company. The company opened the Playboy Hotel and Casino as a joint venture with Playboy Enterprises. In June 2004, substantially all of the hospitality assets owned by Pritzker family business interests, including Hyatt Corporation and Hyatt International Corporation, were consolidated under a single entity called Global Hyatt Corporation. On June 30, 2009, Global Hyatt Corporation changed its name to Hyatt Hotels Corporation. In December 2004 Hyatt Hotels Corporation acquired AMeri Suites, an upscale chain of all-suite business-class hotels from affiliates of the Blackstone Group, a New York-based private equity investment firm. Blackstone had inherited AMeri Suites from its 2004 acquisition of Prime Hospitality. The AMeri Suites chain was rebranded and called Hyatt Place, a competitor to the limited-service products Marriott International's Courtyard by Marriott and Hilton Worldwide's Hilton Garden Inn. In December 2005 Hyatt acquired limited-service company Summerfield Suites from the Blackstone Group. Blackstone had inherited Summerfield Suites from its purchase of Wyndham International. According to a Hyatt press release, in January 2012 Hyatt Summerfield Suites were rebranded as Hyatt House to compete in the upscale extended stay market against Residence Inn, Homewood Suites and Staybridge Suites. In August 2009 it was reported that Hyatt Hotels Corporation filed plans to raise up to $1.15 billion in an initial share sale. That November Hyatt completed an initial public offering and began trading publicly on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol H. According to the filing, Mark S. Hoplamazian was to serve as CEO and Thomas Pritzker as executive chairman. The public offering is a result of the acrimonious breakup of the Pritzker family empire. Accused of looting family trusts, Thomas and cousins Penny and Nicholas took control of the family businesses when they and other family members were sued by cousin Liesl Pritzker, claiming fraud and seeking damages of over $6 billion. As of December 31, 2014 Hyatt Corporation's worldwide portfolio consisted of 587 properties. On September 1, 2011, Hyatt acquired Hotel Sierra, which has 18 properties in 10 states. Along with Hyatt Summerfield Suites hotels, several of these properties were rebranded as Hyatt House in January 2012. Hyatt Hotels Corporation operates several chains. The Human Rights Campaign awarded the company 100% in the HRC Equality Index for 8 consecutive years. The Hyatt Regency brand is the oldest brand in the company, with the Grand Hyatt and Park Hyatt brands being introduced in 1980. Some of these are styled as resort properties, and may have spas or other recreational facilities. Other brands include Hyatt Place, designed as a limited service offering for business travelers. An extended stay chain, Summerfield Suites, was acquired by Hyatt in 2005, and was renamed Hyatt House in January 2012. Hyatt launched the Andaz brand in April 2007. The first Andaz hotel was the Great Eastern Hotel in London, followed by hotels in San Diego, West Hollywood, Shanghai and New York City. On November 2013, Hyatt introduced their first all-inclusive resort brands, Ziva and Hyatt Zilara. As of 2015, Hyatt Ziva and Hyatt Zilara offer all-inclusive accommodations in Cancun, Puerto Vallarta, Los Cabos and Rose Hall, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Brands equals full-service lodging equals Park Hyatt, a residential luxury Hyatt Hotels, mid-sized hotels in cities considered premier destinations. Andaz Hotels are upscale lifestyle boutique-style hotels. Grand Hyatt Hotels are large luxury hotels in major cities and holiday destinations. Hyatt Regency is Hyatt's flagship hotel brand that are mid to large-scale premium hotels intended for both leisure and business travelers, including those attending conventions, located in urban, suburban, airport, convention and resort destinations around the world. Hyatt Hotels are smaller full-service hotels with 150 to 350 rooms located close to major business centers. Hyatt Centric is a new, full-service lifestyle brand designed for business and leisure travelers. Hyatt owns several vacation resorts, including beach, mountain, desert, golf and spa properties with the Park Hyatt, Andaz, Grand Hyatt, Hyatt Regency, and Hyatt brands. Select service lodging equals Hyatt Place Hotels are mid-sized hotels catering for family and business travelers, in urban, airport and suburban areas. Extended stay lodging equals Hyatt House properties are extended stay residential hotels and smaller to mid-size modern hotels in urban and suburban locations in the United States. All-inclusive resorts equals Hyatt Zilara and Hyatt Ziva hotels are all-inclusive resorts. Zilara does not accommodate children. Timeshares equals Hyatt Residence Club are timeshare properties with the same service as the Hyatt brand. Other business activities, Hyatt operates a higher-priced timeshare program, known as Hyatt Residence Club, through Hyatt Vacation Ownership, Incorporated. As of 2014 it had over a dozen locations, some within or connected to Hyatt Hotels. The group also runs a chain of higher-priced retirement homes named Vi Living and offers retail home copyright and furnishings through Hyatt at Home, a luxury online store. Notable properties: Atlanta, the Hyatt Regency Atlanta, the first Hyatt Regency hotel, was built in 1967 and was the first contemporary atrium hotel in the world. As of 2014 it was the only major downtown Atlanta hotel with a front drive on Peachtree Street. Architect John Portman designed the building. Bandung, Hyatt Regency Bandung Hotel is a five-star hotel in the highlands city of Bandung, Indonesia. Beijing, the Grand Hyatt Beijing opened in 2001 in Beijing City, followed by the Park Hyatt Beijing in 2008. Boston, the 502-room Hyatt Regency Boston is in the original hotel component of the former Lafayette Place Mall in Boston's downtown Crossing retail office district. Chicago, with 2,019 rooms, the Hyatt Regency Chicago is the seventh-largest non-gaming hotel in the world, with the largest freestanding bar in the world. Colombo, the Hyatt Regency Colombo which is under construction is the first Hyatt hotel in Sri Lanka. Its name has been changed 3 times from Hyatt Celestial to Hyatt Regency Colombo and finally to Grand Hyatt Colombo. It is expected to open in the third quarter of 2015. Dalian, Grand Hyatt Dalian opened in 2014. Situated at the Xing'ai Square, it offers a view of the mountain sea landscape in the coastal city in northeast China. Denpasar Bali, Grand Hyatt Bali Hotel is a resort in Nusa Dua, Bali. Hollywood, the Continental Hyatt Hotel was in the movie Almost Famous starring Kate Hudson, and its pool has featured in several films including This Is Spinal Tap, and the Park Hyatt Hotel in Century City was the scene of the sixth-floor into-swimming pool scene in the 1989 movie Lethal Weapon 2 starring Mel Gibson and Danny Glover. Jakarta, Grand Hyatt Jakarta is a 5-star hotel in Jakarta's business district, adjacent to Plaza Indonesia. Kansas City, Missouri, initially named the Hyatt Regency Kansas City, the atrium walkways collapsed in 1981, killing 114. The hotel has since been renamed Sheraton Kansas City at Crown Center and remains in operation. Los Angeles, Century Plaza Hotel, one of the 11 endangered historic sites. Mumbai, Grand Hyatt Hotel, Mumbai was designed by Chicago's Low & Associates and opened in 2004. New Delhi, Hyatt Regency Delhi. The Hyatt Regency Delhi is a luxury hotel in New Delhi, India, built in 1983. The five-star hotel has 507 rooms and 52 suites equipped with modern amenities and high-speed internet access. It has 5,500 square feet of flexible event space suitable for corporate and social events. There is also an outdoor swimming pool, salon services, Club Olympus spa and fitness facilities, or experience the best in shopping at the Hotel unregistered trademark S multi-level retail complex. San Francisco, the Hyatt Regency San Francisco formerly provided a rooftop revolving restaurant called Equinox, offering 360-degree views of the city and the Bay. The restaurant became an elite club for certain hotel guests only and it no longer rotates. This hotel was sold for close to $200 million to Dune Capital Management and D. Napoli Capital Partners in January 2007, about $250,000 per room. The property was used several times as a filming location, including Irwin Allen's 1974 disaster film The Towering Inferno, the 1977 Mel Brooks comedy High Anxiety, Don Siegel's spy thriller Telephone of the same year, and the 1979 science fiction thriller Time After Time. Seoul, the Grand Hyatt Seoul opened in 1978 as Hyatt Regency Seoul and is one of the oldest Hyatts in Asia. Is the only fully Hyatt-owned hotel in the Asia-Pacific. The hotel is in Seoul's Namsan area, where further development is not allowed. Tokyo, the Park Hyatt Tokyo appeared in the 2003 movie Lost in Translation. Yogyakarta, Hyatt Regency Yogyakarta is a five-star hotel in Yogyakarta, Java, Indonesia. World events. 1980 Euro 1989 United States The Hyatt Regency Kansas City in Kansas City, Missouri, was the site of one of the worst hotel disasters in U.S. history. On July 17, 1981, two of the three ski bridges that traversed the hotel's lobby collapsed during a tea dance. The walkways were packed with people when a structural failure occurred, causing one bridge, which was hung from the bridge above it, to pull both bridges loose from the ceiling and collapse. The accident killed 114 people and injured over 200. The hotel was later renamed the Hyatt Regency Crown Center. 1990 Euro 1999 Philippines The Hyatt Terraces Baguio in the northern city of Baguio collapsed after a July 16, 1990, earthquake. 2000 Euro 2009 Israel On October 17, 2001, Israeli Tourism Minister Rehavam Ze'evi was assassinated in the Jerusalem Hyatt Regency on Mount Scopus. Australia The 2002 Commonwealth Heads of Government was held March 2 5, 2002, at the former Hyatt Regency Coolum on the Sunshine Coast at Coolum. United States During Hurricane Katrina, the Hyatt Regency New Orleans received significant damage as almost all of its windows were blown out and the bottom floor was torn apart by flood damage. The hotel is located in the Central Business District and reopened October 19, 2011. Jordan On November 9, 2005, the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Amman, Jordan, was targeted by a series of coordinated terrorist attacks along with a Radisson SAS and a Days Inn hotel. Australia The 2006 G20 meeting of finance ministers and central bank governors was held at the Grand Hyatt in Melbourne between November 18 and November 19, 2006. Trinidad and Tobago The Hyatt Regency Trinidad was used for the 2009 Fifth Summit of the Americas from April 17 to 19, 2009. 2010 Euro 2019 India The Hyatt Regency Chennai was the venue for the World Chess Championship 2013, held for the first time in India, from November 9 to 28, 2013. Loyalty Program. Hyatt Hotels operate a loyalty program called Hyatt Gold Passport. Gallery. References. External links. Official website.